What's up, my viewers and subscribers? I don't know the thing, I don't know it's a NEWLINK there and from NEWLINK production. So right about now, people, Zane, you know, say a voice note was sent to NEWLINK, you understand? And it's about where a lady has reached to Barbados, end up by meeting a man online and something people, but John was star, and this lady is a Jamaican and she's from Jamaica, people, and she reached a Barbados and thing, people, and me I tell her say it's a different turn, a twist a story, people. So me I go play this exclusive, hold on there, don't go so fast. Me I go play this exclusive voice note to send to my people and make you hear the fullest of what I go on, because me I tell you John was star, and then NEWLINK I go talk, because yo, it tough attack them NEWLINK. Listen, people.
Boy, me hear say this girl, she depend Tage and find this man Barbados. The man send her picture say I'm a pilot. But the girl say when I see the man always in the dark. She never see the man yet. She not see the man good. You know, but him love text. Him hardly want to talk to her pan when him video talk. Anyway, it happened that the man say him want her to come over, come meet him. You know, people are come, one big woman, you know, she about 56, 57. And you know, the woman says she go. When she go out Barbados, she reach, this guy come pick her up. She said no. You know, she happy and so then she go. She said when she reach at the yard, she go. She said I want to go 2-bedroom house in a one kind of bush place with be a banana tree around it and the toilet there. Outer door underneath the banana tree. She said Jesus. Anyway, when she go into the little house, it's a 2-bedroom. You have kitchen, but kitchen and living hall. You have to be out a door. When she go there now, if you can meet this nice gentleman, I want 1 foot man. 1 foot man. Where when I'm high blind.
Mother shit.
And in so son, when time she go into the house, they notice that she them lock the door. And she said, Jesus, she did there. She said, but she put herself in her. The next boy have a gun. Yeah, so she can't go nowhere. She said she did the 2 weeks come. She said the 2 weeks soon come. She gotta go home. Go home. She can't go nowhere if the boy come out of the house. He lock it. Because my father, she go to And in the way he go, he carry the keys, so she lock up in the house. She can't come out, so she didn't want to come home. She can't come home. Then look in her bag, then take away her phone from her. She can't make no contact. Nothing at all. More than the man, the whole man, has sex, eat. Sex, eat. She tired. And when the boy come in, he must get fame share. And she did it, she go through it, she ball day, she ball night. One day she said she in the kitchen and the door open. And when the door open, the boy come in and open one box and put some money in it, and she say, what that thing put, how much money that no him put in that? So she said, sure, but I look on it because she can't come out because they lock up a place with her in there. Because she want she have to do now one bucket when the boy don't come that she way. Anyway, she said she did it once until 1 month pass, 2 months pass. When I go in like 3 months, she see some people come there. And when the people come there, then the boy them gone out, gone talk to her, and talk to the people them. But they were like it was some church people. And one come upstairs and I talk to the father. So when she didn't know, so she bop her eye to the man. About 6 times. And when she bop her eye to the man, like the man pick up the rake and said, what is your name? And she said, she tell the man her name. He said, where you from? And she said, Jamaica. And she said, when me and the man up down there talk to them, and the rest of them what I do I talk to the next two boy, she said she come downstairs. And she go in the box, and she look, she said,
downstairs, so many things say they don't 2-bedroom house in the bush and one go on hall and one kitchen in there. So he reach downstairs now. Well, that no.
But they little money them. She took up 2 bungalows, she can't even count it. So when the man tell the man gone, she turned to the man and said, please, man, me a hostage. Please, me I beg you, buy me ticket for me and give the man 2 bungalows the money. When they give the man the money, the man said, all right, me will come back and let you know what's happened. She said about a day after the man come back and say, you know, your flight is on like the Wednesday. And she said, him don't know how am I going to do it, but him have to try to do it a way that she can escape and go in him car, make him carry her, go to the airport. But she don't have to take up nothing, she must just come. And the girl say, not even girl, the woman say, when the man come back, the man come with a 2 bag of grocery. When come the boy, open the door, and him call him from the door now, say if you come, look upon them. The next one, the bigger one never did, the next boy never did it. So him go in and I look upon them. That's a little boy. Go in and I look at the things that were come. And the girl take time, because she did give the man her passport. She said the only beauty I hate, them never take her passport. And she take time and go into the man jeep. And she sit down at the back. And then she see the man come and she say, she was the part, my case come, my case. Yes, but then the man come in at the car and drive off. Carry back her passport and the ticket and say, may I carry go house, but tomorrow I fly go home. So she start fret now, you know, because once I want for one next one this. But anyway, the man carry her and go buy her clothes and sit and give her back her the money. Say a $2,000 in the she they give US. And then give her back 1,600 and something US. And when she then at the airport, the boy called the man and I say, the girl gone, and I don't know where she gone. And she don't know BARBAD0S code where she gone. And I said, maybe she find her way out and come back. And she said when her flight come, she dip on the flight for Jamaica. Nothing sweeter. She have 1,600 US. And she say, when she reach at Jamaica, she glad. She call him man and tell him how much thanks. So it's when the people I get people we call it Tage, them for be careful. Be careful of what them a do. Because a different people picture them I use. And they not come from nowhere, they might come from the dump. Them for be careful. More you send it round everywhere. Because people for be careful of the tag them where they might go on.
That's a reach to me. You understand? But different people, I really think she has a lot of people out there and tag, and not just tag alone. You have a lot of different social media sites like dating site and something, and there are other people picture them I use to show. You understand? Plenty of them and something. So you have to really be careful with sharing your personal information, pics or anything like that, because you don't know who you are saying it to. But with this story I know people, and truthfully, and you don't know NEWLINK doing things, I understand. We're not afraid to talk the truth. Honestly, maybe yes, something may happen to somebody, but somebody really think them in the story now, not really connect to the level of how basically what she has said at the first part, you know what I mean? Because in the end, using logics on your brain, you understand, you know, even at the end part when the man come at the house and thing, and if I was the one who have that lady as hostage and this man come, You understand? They come as a church people or whatever. They was talking, MC girl, whatever, have a talk. First thing when I go try to make, no, your man go close to your girl when me have a hostage. You understand? And leave her where she can have a conversation with him. You know what I mean? Next thing again, the man come back and bro, grocery store. You understand? For a reason, I don't know. You understand? Next thing again, the girl disappear. And that man would be the first suspect for me if you have the girl, because he was the one who talking to her and everything. Maybe just call him and say, yo, the girl gone. And you know what I mean? So, you know, really add up the part. And the next part, in the first part when she did say 2-bedroom house with a kitchen and living room, but no bathroom out to do a toilet. But then me here, she said downstairs or upstairs, something that someone know, you understand, 2-bedroom house upstairs, no, you know. So some part, to be honest with you, not really add up, yeah. Some part don't make no sense unless they did move her to a different house then, you know what I mean? And me no hear nothing more back about the 1 foot man part again, and you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna say this don't happen, as them saying a Barbados or something not go down, you know what I mean? It do happen. We do have people who are held as hostage in plenty different parts of this world, but you know what I mean? You don't know what the thing, man. So people just be careful of the part when she's saying the social media thing, yeah man, be careful like you understand. I don't know the thing of people, don't know everything we have to share. And one time we see it fit to share on the channel, we have to share it and make the people who are understanding. And there's me tell you the reason why I'm share it is just to put the caution out there, be careful of the dating side and social media when I do. Be careful. So don't know the thing of people. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, man. And thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, and thanks for commenting. Attack them NEWLINK. Peace out, respect. I'm out.